What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. J Slime has returned, but Anthony here has never listened to J Slime before, but we're ready to get into the song here, Rage Anthem. So let's jump right in. It sounds like a summer song. It's almost like some EDM style. It's almost like club music. Ooh. Oh, yeah, I like that one. I like it. It almost sounds like club dance music a bit, but it's also something I could just like sit back and relax and listen to.
I mean, it was fine. I thought the intro sounded more like an outro.
Yeah, I was about to say something. Yeah, I didn't know if I was tripping. It sounded like it started off like we were in the middle of the song.
Yeah, I think the intro was a little weird, and I think okay, the first minute's good, and then it just kind of got downhill from there.
Downhill.
I thought the rest of the song after 10 minutes of the intro, 10 seconds of the intro, a minute in, it sounded amazing, and then the rest was just horrible.
I honestly think it got better as it went on.
No, I think
yeah, I'm the exact opposite. I think it gets better and better.
I think the music was too loud, and I wasn't getting enough of what he was hearing. But like you said, if it was club music, then people don't give a fuck what the sound.
I think that song wasn't a huge song on lyrics in general. I think it was more of just like a dance kind of song. I liked it. And I haven't it's been a long time since I reacted to J Slime, but when I remember, this might be one of my more favorites. I like it.
I say mid, low mid too. I don't know. Just not my type.
Okay. But yeah, we should be listening to more J Slime real soon here. But until then, You already know what to do. Like and subscribe. Send us some more submissions, and we'll be back with another reaction.